Family planning is an important part of reproductive health and responsible decision making. It helps individual and families plan when and how many children they can support, physically, emotionally, and economically. In this video, we will discuss common effective contraceptive measures, how they work, and why they are important in promoting health and well-being.
Uterine devices or IUDs are placed by healthcare professionals and provide long-term pregnancy prevention. Some IUDs can last for several years. For example, IUDs are ideal for those who want long-term family planning without frequent medical visits.
Common and effects contraceptive methods. Condoms are one of the most widely used contraceptive methods. They are affordable, easy to use, and widely available. When used correctly, condoms will prevent pregnancy and reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infection. For example, for couples who want temporary and non-hormonal protection, condoms are a practical and safe option.
Contraceptive pills or contraceptive pills are taken daily and work by regulating hormones to prevent ovulation. They are effective when taken consistently and as prescribed. Example, women who prefer a routine-based method may choose pills as long as they remember to take them daily.
Injectable contraceptives are administered once every few months. They provide long-term protection and are suitable for individuals who prefer not to take daily pills. Example, this method is helpful for busy individuals who want a reliable and low-maintenance option.
Education and science. Scientific research shows that contraceptive methods are safe and effective when used correctly. Proper education helps people choose the methods that best suits their health, lifestyles, and personal benefits.
Why are contraceptives important? Contraceptives are important because they help reduce maternal and infant health risks, allow parents to prepare emotionally and financially, and support responsible parenthood. They also help reduce school dropouts and economic difficulties caused by unplanned pregnancies. For example, when parents plan their family properly, they can provide better education, healthcare, and support for their children.
What are contraceptive measures? Contraceptive measures used to prevent unintended pregnancy. They allow people to plan their families responsibly and protect reproductive health. These methods, supported by scientific research, and are promoted to help reduce risk, unplanned pregnancy, and maternal complication.
Natural family planning. Natural family planning involves tracking the menstrual cycle to identify fertile and infertile days. This method does not involve medication or devices, but requires proper education and discipline. Example, couple who prefer natural method may choose this option, but accuracy and consistency are important.
Family planning is not about limiting life. It is about protecting health and securing a better future. By understanding contraceptive measures, individuals can make informed and responsible decisions. Knowledge empowers us to plan wisely, live healthy, and build stronger families and communities. Responsible choice today lead to a healthier tomorrow.